happy making that trade-off is the higher up you get, like I watch a guy called Tal Tactics, called John from America, fantastic Tau player. And if he ever listens to this, he will completely agree with what I'm about to say. He's one of the best Tau players in the world. But he said on himself on stream, he is not a hobbyist. He's there purely for the game. And when I'm watching it, the higher up you get, the less hobby-esque goes into the armies I've seen, if that makes sense. There is some gorgeous armies out there, and there is probably some people out there that have really good armies that are painted gorgeously at a high level.
Yeah.
But I would say a few of them are probably commission painted, but like because the big studios can do that, like Art of War, I imagine has some nice armies and stuff like that. But you will lose that the higher up you go. So I would have to change the meta of my army, or if I was to become the top and I needed to put like 3 hammerheads on the board and I only have 1, I would have to make 2 hammerheads painted crappily just to bang on the board to use them, and I think it would hurt my soul a little bit.
So is that what stops you then from being a bit more kind of like meta based? Is it that you just, you don't want those units to be on the table badly painted, or is it that you just feel it's unsportsmanlike, or like it's not
a
fun?
Bit of both. It's a bit of both, right? I would never play with an unpainted model because I think it's bad luck, and that's superstitious me.
Okay.
I think it's bad juju. Bad juju. It always is bad juju.
Okay.
But like before I met you guys and everything, like my commissions were taking 5 months to get through, and the meta had completely changed, and it put me off. Well, I want to play with these models, but I won't be able to play with these models in 5 months because they're not good anymore. And I'm not saying that's that, but eventually you can get your whole army done, and you have enough selection that won't affect you. And I'm getting quite close to that myself now, to be fair, which is good. But being able to get something commissioned and be with you in a month and a half or 2 months or sooner, because Matt seems to be a fucking insane genius when it comes to it, is incredible to be able to do. Like, it took him 2 weeks to make those rampages for me. 2 weeks to build and paint them, set me ready for Manchester. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Mind-blowing.
Yes.
And they look so good as well.
It is. That's one of the things. If you want to get your stuff commission painted, the likelihood is you probably like a full army commission. Like, how long did it take you to do James' army, Stephen? Really? And that was at blasted level, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was blasted. So, but that was 3.5 months.
Yeah, that's good going for that's good going.
Yeah, but I mean, you had literally just emigrated to another country with a baby and a small child, and you had a lot.
I should have been quicker, James. Sorry.
I think you would have been quicker if you hadn't had all of that on the go as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Some commission studios, I'm not naming any names here, but if you were to put a commission in, you'd be on a wait list for 6 months, and then it'll take you another 6 months to get. If you're a gamer, that's never going to appeal to you. What's the point in it?
Yeah.
If I want an army, I'd want it this year, preferably. I don't want it next year.
Yeah.
I could be dead next year. You know what I mean?
That's probably one of the most common questions I get when people ask me to paint stuff is, well,
can I get it before I die?
What's the... Sorry, no, yes. Basically, they're asking, like, will I actually be able to get to use this year?
Yeah.
And James, you're kind of drifting into this now, aren't you? Because you've had your army for a few months. You're now wanting to make tweaks and stuff and experiment with other units. So you're kind of hitting this wall a bit now, aren't you? You're like, well, I don't paint, but I want to change my army. What do I do? Like, how?
Yeah, it's
you want to be better, and
yeah,
because you don't want to paint anything that's not going to match your army, do you? It will irritate you.
Yeah, I don't really want to